Hello, welcome to Post AI. If you want to grow your personal brand and capture more leads, you don't need more posts, you need a predictable lead workflow where you can plan your content, use targeted feed to engage intentionally, and warm your leads to book more demos. Let me show you how you can run this workflow inside Post AI. First of all, you can create your brand voice so that your content should look like you and it should not sound robotic. You can add up to 10 LinkedIn posts and create brand voice. It will generate your brand voice. Once your brand voice is generated, now the next step is what to post daily. To counter that, we have introduced multiple options. One is a bookmark content. You can bookmark content from LinkedIn. Just like that, you can go to LinkedIn, bookmark content, select your tag and bookmark that content. And then you can filter that content by tags and repurpose that content. Another is a viral post library. We have almost 100k plus viral post library. You can use that to get post ideas and check how other people are writing content and their posts are going viral. And third option is our idea generator. In our idea generator, you can generate idea by using any keyword, or you can add any blog article and convert into 6 LinkedIn posts. It have given me different angles of ideas. Now I can save any idea or generate LinkedIn post. Let me generate LinkedIn post from this idea. You can utilize your YouTube video, LinkedIn post, any blog article, or you can record your voice to create your LinkedIn post also. Okay, to do that you can use your own brand voice, or you can use any top creator brand voice to generate posts. Let me choose my brand voice and write my writing style and create posts. It will give me 6 LinkedIn post hooks trained on viral LinkedIn content data. You can choose between any good hook and create your first post. It have given me a well formatted and good written LinkedIn post already. You can directly post it, or you can edit any part or using one editor, or you can generate more hooks. You can append your CTS and you can add your media also, or you can copy your content and post on LinkedIn directly. To schedule your content, you can use your smart content calendar, where you will get set your time slots once, and you can visualize what is scheduled and what is not scheduled. With one click it will get scheduled on LinkedIn. So we are done with our post creation process and schedule. Now how to grow on LinkedIn. To grow on LinkedIn, only post will not work. You need a system. We have a targeted feed option. You can use that targeted feed option to grow on LinkedIn. You can create targeted feeds of your prospects, peers, or engagers. Once you have created your list, now you can add any user to one of your list by clicking on add to targeted feed button, and or you can visit any user profile and you can say that add to targeted feed. Now you can open targeted feed. It will show you only those posts you have chosen. For example, you have added 10 users, it will show you only 10 users posts, so that you can engage intentionally. Our system also help you to create comments in your voice. You can add your voice here and select that, and select other different options and create comment. It will give you a well tailored and well written comment, not a robotic comment. Once you will engage with any user, record your engagements also, how many times you have engaged with anyone, so and what is the status of your lead, so that you can track your users and you can send them connection note. For you can select add your own styles, or you can select predefined styles to create your connection note and send them personalized connection note. Once you are connected with any user, you can write them first DM personalize first DM using the post also, or you can do follow-ups, you can utilize your own templates to write them. Our system will keep record of how many engagement you have done and what is the status of that lead. You can filter that leads according to status, and you can also filter your follow-ups due today, tomorrow, or whatever you want. As I have explained to you how you can use the Post AI to grow your personal brand and capture leads. Start today to convert your LinkedIn effort into lead engine.